I am R. Murugan, Assistant Professor of English, Bharatidasan Government College for Women, Puducherry. This video I have created for the assignment number 6 to upload it in YouTube. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about this poem, Rainwater and Red Soil, written by Sembula Paya Neerar. This is a poem translated from Tamil classics, and the poet has been named after the poem's theme because till date it is not known who wrote this poem. Hence they titled the poem as Sembula Paya Neerar. This is from Kurundogai poems, the 40th song of Kurundogai, which speaks about love. The hero and heroine, they discuss. And in Tamil, the very first line, Yayum Yayum Yara Hero Yendayum Nundayum Yemmurai Keli, the famous lines. We shall move on to the next slide. The Kurundogai 40, this particular poem, is a type that is found in Kurinjithinai, what the hero said to the heroine about their love. This is the title written in Tamil. The poem, the translated verse reads like this: My mother and your mother, what are they to each other? My father and your father, how are they related? You and I, how did we know each other? Like rainwater that falls and merges with the red earth, our loving hearts have become one. In Tamil it reads like this: Yayum Yayum Yara Hero, Yendayum Nundayum Yemmurai Kelir, Yanum Niyum Evvali Aridum, Sembula Payal Neer Bola, Anbudai Nenjam Tam Kalandana. Kurundogai is a classical Tamil poetic work, and the collection belongs to the Akam. Akam means love category, and almost each poem consists of 4 to 8 lines each. These poems were likely composed between 100 to 300 CE because on the linguistics, style and dating of the authors. This poem is written by the unknown poet, and hence he is called by the pseudonym Sembula Paya Neerar. The words are taken from the poem itself. In this beautiful Kurinjithinai poem from Kurundogai, one of the 8 anthologies of Sangam poems, the poet depicts the words spoken by the hero to the heroine. A critic on the poem: the hero assures his beloved, who is apprehensive about the future of their relation. He says that they will be united in love forever. The poem in its simplest form reads as follows: My mother and your mother, who are they to each other? My father and your father, how are they related? Me and you, how we do know each other. Similar to the red soil mixed with water, hearts earnest in love became one. The hero relates beautifully something happening in nature and uses it as a simile for their love. It is so appealing if we note that what he does take from the nature to symbolize their relation. This poem is the verse 40 in the Kurundogai anthology. The image of red earth and pouring rain evokes pictures of the first monsoon rains falling on the red earth hills typical of the Tamil lands to mingle with the dry, parched soil, forming a cool, damp clay, and of the flowers blooming in the rain. The mood created is that of lovers privately meeting in the hills, their hearts waking suddenly, unexpectedly to each other. The poem compares the meeting of the lovers to that of the colorless rainwater, which, when falls onto the land, it takes the color of the soil and mingles with that of the land, turns into red. Like that, the hearts of the lovers mingle with each other. Thank you.